How to install a pool safety cover on a pool that has a diving board. Well, there's a couple of different ways that you can accomplish this, and one of the ones that you see most commonly is people who remove their diving board every winter will just install the strap in the deck wherever it happens to line up, and that's no problem at all. However, a lot of people do not remove the diving boards in the winter, and usually there's a strap that goes right where that diving board is sitting. So what are you supposed to do? How do you get around this? Do you have to take the diving board off every year to accommodate this? I personally don't think so. If you let the manufacturer know that you have a diving board, you can request something called a Y strap. And a Y strap is just as it sounds. Instead of having a single strap that comes off right where that diving board is going to be, you will come off a little bit of the strap, but then connect this Y strap, which does exactly that, splits on either side of the diving board such that you can install 2 anchors instead of 1 anchor on that side. But then you don't need to have one right where the diving board is sitting, and you don't need to take the diving board off every year just to be able to put the safety cover on. So if you are installing a swimming pool safety cover on a pool with a diving board, what you have to remember is that you must make sure that the diving board anchors are the first ones that you line up, orient, and drill into the pool deck. Once you have the cover oriented and floating on the pool, you have buckets full of water with you to stretch out the cover in every direction and make sure you have the best possible fit. The first anchors that you drill should be on either side of the diving board and on the opposite end of that strap. And if you follow that process, you're sure to have a successful installation of your cover. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.